Now we have to understand that what are the basic steps, that how exactly we need to build a brand awareness. We have already learned what exactly is brand awareness. Okay, what exactly is the need of the brand awareness, right? And what are the stages of brand awareness? Now we need to understand that what are the basic steps involved in building a brand awareness or increasing a brand awareness, right? So the best way to build the brand awareness, if you want to, go quickly or on a scalable path, so you first need to have a clear and clever strategy. That okay, this is the plan I have. These are the activities I will be going to do, so that I will be able to build a brand awareness regarding my product as quickly as possible. Okay. No, now the step one is that, because whenever we have any kind of a brand, we need to understand who is our target audience. Okay, and we need to understand where we will be able to find our target audience. Because if we don't know who is our target audience, if we are kind of promoting our product on on wrong platforms, so what we are doing, we are kind of wasting our uh, time. So first of all, whenever we are doing a building brand awareness, so the first thing which we need to understand is that we need to understand that who is our target audience and where exactly we will be able to find those audience. So that is the first and the foremost thing. Once we are done with that, okay, these are the people I will be kind of targeting. This is my target audience, or where exactly I will be able to find these target audience. So these are the things where I will be able to find my target audience. This is the age group I will be, you know, contacting, or this is the gender I will be focusing on, because maybe my product is only female centric. So, and if I'm, showing that product to everybody, so what exactly is happening? So that is again is kind of wasting. I'm wasting my time. So first, I need to kind of promote my product within these within that community which is related to that problem. Those people are going to tell to other people, right? And the second step is that we have to set the brand awareness KPIs, the objectives, right? Once we know that okay, this is the audience which is going to know about my product. Now the second step is that I need to set the objectives of my brand awareness. So what exactly will be the objective of my brand awareness, right? So once I am like so the objectives can be anything. That all depends on what exactly you want from your branding or your brand awareness. So the maybe it can be like website visit. So you can check the activities on your website. You can including how many new visitors are there, how many unique visitors are there, okay, how much time they are spending on a particular page, okay, which page is getting the highest traffic. So if the brand awareness is improving, you should be able to see that okay, this is the positive impact I am going to see on my website, or this is the kind of results I'm going to generate through the websites, visits, and all. And to check that, we have like different tools related to that. So these are the two tools we can use to track uh, the activities, that is Google Analytics and Similar Web. So these are the two tools which by which we will be able to track that what exactly is happening with the website visits. And then the second thing is that we want to engage people with the help of social media. So again, we can monitor the audience engagement with the social media pages. Okay, we will be opening our different social media pages on maybe LinkedIn, Instagram, and everywhere. And then whatever kind of things we are posting, we will be able to see that how many people are behaving, how what exactly is the activity which is happening on the engagement. So this also gives us the gist of that what exactly needs to be done, or maybe what exactly is the problem with the product, right? Let's suppose people are not at all interested into the careers, right? Because that is the kind of a problem we I have faced when I was working with one of the companies, so where we were kind of uh, telling people about that how career is important, right? But and we used to post a lot of stuff on different platforms, but we were not getting that much of engagement. Maybe there were some of the issues that we were not able to connect with the people properly, or there might be some kind of issues that maybe people are not that much interested into career because they think that career is not the most important thing in somebody's life. Doing or like doing diploma courses or doing different courses is the most important decision, important thing. Okay, because when they will be choosing a career, the end result will be that they have to do some kind of a courses to get a job. Okay, but if they will be doing some kind of a courses, so they will be getting a good job. So that is the reason maybe the social media engagement was less in that process. So again, that is the other thing that you have to keep track on, that in your social media platforms, that how exactly your uh, social media is behaving. So for that, you can use different tools, that is like Sprout, Social, Budge, and then Budge, Sumo. These are the two tools which you can use. Even if you are not using these tools, we have already discussed about that on different on social media platforms. They have their own admin panel, so where you can track each and every activity related to what exactly you're doing, how exactly your page is behaving, how many people have reached to your post, what kind of engagement you have got, how many views you have got. On YouTube also, you will be able to see all the you will be able to track all the details. But in deeper, if you want to go into the detail, then you can use all these tools, and there are like other tools which are available. And then we have like branded search. So in this, like you will be able to check out that search volume data to see that how many people are looking for your brand, right? So in this, so the SEO part is also included. So it's like search engine optimization. So it all depends on that how many people are, let's suppose I'll say that Google shoe, oh, sorry, I'll say that Adidas shoes, or I'll say that Adidas t-shirts. So it all depends on that how many people are kind of interested into your brand or your product, how many people are searching for your brand. So it all it comes in the search engine optimization. So again, you have to keep an eye on the various keywords related to that, on particular keyword, what exactly is the response, and how exactly that keyword is behaving. So that all you have to keep on mind when you are doing your search engine optimization. So that is also very important point. So in that, we have these tools which we have already discussed about these tools in our earlier class. There are like a lot of other tools which are also available, that Emos, Ahref, and there are like a lot of other tools. Then the other thing is that mentions. So again, it is like hashtag. If you have heard about hashtags, so how many mentions you are getting. So if let's suppose somebody else is talking about something, so how many other people are also kind of talking about your product. Okay, so if I'll say that how exactly people are running some kind of a campaign, and in that what they are saying that you have to post a picture and you have to use this hashtag. So that shows that how hot your the kind of campaign you are running, how exactly it is going to behave. Okay, because when brand awareness is high, so it is going to create forums or discussions and comments and social sites, and you can track your brand mentions to see the level of conversation surrounding your brand on an ongoing basis. So the thing is that you know if thousand or lakhs of people are using your hashtag, or they are kind of mentioning you, they are tagging you. So that again is really helpful to know about that how exactly your brand is behaving. And for this there are tools which by which you will be able to know that how many people are talking about your product or your brand. So these are the two tools which we have, that is called mention.com and mentionlytics. So these are the two topics tools which we have. And then the step 3 is that we have to create target campaigns for the business. Whatever business we have to run uh, different campaigns on the basis of the campaigns on the day basis, or that all depends on the day how exactly you are going to run the campaign. You are going to run the campaign on daily basis, or you are going to run the campaign on you know monthly basis. So that all depends on your the objectives. Okay, and that all depends on the strategy you will be having, and that all depends on the what exactly you want from the your uh, product. And then the fourth step is that you have to diversify your channels. So it means that whatever you are doing, you have to do it, you have to keep on doing it on all other social media platforms for a long term impact on people's memory, right? And then after all this, what exactly you have to do, you have to track and optimize, right? How whatever activities you're doing, you have to see that how exactly those activities are behaving, how exactly you have to improve, what all things you need to change into your marketing strategy or the business awareness strategy.